hands. Close your eyes and trust Him, just trust Him. Have you ever thrown a fistful of glitter in the air? Have you ever looked fear in the face? Said, I just don't care. And it's only half past, the point of no return, the tip of the iceberg, the sun before the burn, the thunder before the lightning, and the breath before the phrase. Have you ever felt this way? Have you ever hit yourself for staring at a phone? Your whole life waiting on the ring to prove you're not alone. Have you ever been touched so gently you had to cry? Have you ever invited a stranger to come inside? And it's only half past, the point of leaving on the hourglass on the table, the walk before the run, the breath before the kiss, and the feel before the flames. Have you ever felt this way? Calling me sugar, you call me sugar. Have you ever wished for an endless night? I saw the moon and the stars and pulled the rope tight.